It's sunnier than most days.
Dun dun dun. Suede can never compete with leather. Like this whole stack of stuff here. I had the biggest cry over them.
Maybe you should stay instead of turning around.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hola que tal? I'm Steph, and this is my YouTube channel. Yet again in front of my closet because yet again I have found myself with a surplus of clothing that I don't know what to do with, and every time I open these doors I get anxiety. So we're here to solve that issue and do another closet clean out because I know you guys loved the last one so much.
How is this like hitting me so hard today? We were all kind of stuck in this panoramic, this Panasonic, crazy right there. 2020 just made me want to cleanse everything in my life.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already and follow me on my socials. I upload new videos every single Wednesday. Every Wednesday, guys. Every Wednesday you guys are gonna see my face. Also, I've been thinking about doing some special uploads here and there throughout the week. I'm trying to come up with a name for them, maybe like Where's Waldo, but like Spot Steph, maybe something like that. If you guys have any suggestions for videos, comment them down below because they're always well received and well needed. So outfit details, I just posted this today on my Instagram, but all of this is thrifted. I am also doing a 30-day outfit challenge on my TikTok. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I wear for 30 days straight. If you guys are interested, I'll put my TikTok over here. I've been going ham on TikTok, so please give your girl some support and help me fix my algorithm because my For You page is a little bit not where I want it to be. So yeah, give me a follow and a like if you like my content. Some of it is going to be sold on my Instagram shop and soon to be Depop shop. It's called Almost Ugly Vintage. I will put all the information and the links down below if you guys want to shop my closet. And then I'm gonna do another pile for donation, just things that are not in good condition anymore that I don't think are sellable. Realize that I just don't have the space for so many items and I don't have the head space for so many items. I can't keep track of them. I have a lot of items in my closet that just don't fit me anymore. Guys, why are we keeping clothes that don't fit us anymore? It's not worth it. Like, we're not supposed to fit the clothes. Clothes are supposed to fit us. Let's get into it. I have quite a lot of items in here. Some I love, some I just haven't touched in a while. My favorite pieces. This is one of my newest thrift finds. It's this Penny Lane coat. I have absolutely nowhere to wear it right now because where I live is super hot, but I am manifesting a trip to either New York or Canada very soon. So I'm anticipating needing this coat. Okay, let's get into it, guys.
It was late at night.
Okay guys, this pair of white denim jeans, I had the biggest cry over them maybe about like 6 or 7 months ago when they weren't fitting me right.
When I had those jeans and they fit me kind of loose-ish, like I still wasn't happy with my body even when they didn't fit me. And then I tried them on today and they fit me tighter, and I just like, this whole thing clicked into my head where I was just like, it doesn't even matter the size that I'm at. Like, I wasn't happy with myself even when I was skinnier, that I put so much focus on the way that I look. In the end, it doesn't make me happy. Like,
and now, honestly, I could care less about them. I haven't touched them since then and I don't think I will. So these are gonna go. Wow. This sweatshirt I thought was really cool. It had like flames on it, but I've had it for like years. And I don't get a lot of use out of sweatshirts just because of the weather, and I haven't worn this in a really long time.
Tossed and turned as thoughts began to play. How can this be life?
Like this whole stack of stuff here. I went through this previously and I already took that out of my closet and realized that I could get rid of it or sell it. So that pile of clothes, ignore it.
Just waste away, saving up the time.
Hear me out about this blazer. I shared this with you guys in a previous thrift haul, selling this or getting rid of it just because I don't wear it so often. And I definitely wear this one a lot more than this one, though I really do love this piece. So comment down below if you guys think that I should keep it or get rid of it. I'm really on the fence. I know I'm gonna be gutted if I do sell it, but maybe somebody else might love it more. I don't know, I'm conflicted. Okay babes, I have more denim coats. I have these two denim jackets. This one is actually pretty new. This is a Harley Davidson denim that I just thrifted. I really love it so much. It's so oversized and so cool. And I feel like there's just no reason that I should have double. I don't know, they're different cuts and different shapes for sure. They're not the exact same. I just know that I'm gonna wear this one more than this one.
Spend it all on mindless entertainment as if we'd find some sort of reason behind it.
Another coat. I just have too many coats. I couldn't possibly wear all of them. This one's so pretty too. It's like quilted on the inside. I just don't wear it enough.
To survive, we could be right, or we could be wrong together. We're daffodil sky.
This one also, like this suede moto jacket. I mean, suede can never compete with leather. So this one has to go as well. I just hit myself in the face. I wore this a lot though. I think I'm good on this side. I've gotten rid of a couple coats, which was very much needed. This is literally the only one I ever wear right now. I'm going through a black leather phase, but I think I've kept some really good staples in here. I feel like a weight lifted off my shoulders now that this side of the closet is done, although I have a huge pile of clothing on the floor. Time to move that pile of clothes over here so that I can reach that side of the closet. Let's go. You never really realize how much clothes you have until you start to go through it. And also, like, at this point with the amount of thrifting that I've been doing, I do like laundry almost every other day, and that is just so wasteful and just not worth it. Dun. You can see the shoe pile that I have. It's insane too. I need to go through that. Comment down below if you guys would like to see a video on my shoe collection, because I've just found some gems on Depop and at the thrift, and just in general I have a really nice shoe collection now, which is not something that I ever like paid attention to much. Like, I remember when I thrifted this. I still kind of love her. I don't know if I want to get rid of her or not. I just don't wear her a lot. It's still a really cool jacket though. I just don't wear it enough. I don't know. I have to think about this one. This one I'm debating on, so please give me some feedback in the comments. I'm a Libra and I need all the feedback that I can get. I almost got rid of this in the last closet clean out, and I think this time I am, because I have not touched her in over a year. Should I stay or should I go? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Super cute, but I just realized I'm not a turtleneck person per se. It's just not the silhouette for me, but I know a lot of people look bomb in it. Hello, the nanny. Ugh, I can't get her off the hanger. Ah. Hello. This has now gotten to a point where I need some sustenance. Wow, these are kind of soggy. Disappointed. I need to head to a meeting very soon, so I will come right back and we'll continue this closet clean out. Hey guys, it's a couple days later. Went thrifting again. Guys, why am I like this? Why am I like this? So I have these drawers. You guys know and love them from the last one of these videos that I did. So I have to go through these OG Lexi merch that I just never have gotten rid of because I just love Lexi Lombard so much.
You open up but the words are all tongue-tied, pulling back the blind. Is this the right
like in these bottom two drawers are PJs and like comfy clothes. So normally I just accumulate a lot of that stuff and I don't end up getting rid of much of it just because I know that eventually I'm gonna be looking for that one comfy item that I'm gonna miss out on. So I keep a lot of comfortable clothes. These two top drawers are insane. This one is like my bottoms, denim, all that. And this one has been a freaking disaster. Denim, okay, let's do this. These I bought, these are like PJ pants, but I have no idea how to wear them because they're like a weird shape. I'd have to get them like tailored or something. So I have to think about it. They're so mega itchy. Like, I don't wear them enough. Can you guys see the pile of clothes I have accumulated here? Like, this is insane. Like, I feel like I just can never let it get this bad because I can't possibly be cleaning out my closet in this kind of quantity every single time. It's just ridiculous. Be a little bit more mindful when I'm purchasing things and purchase things for longevity. Quickly gonna go in and out of style, and also things that are true to my style and my aesthetic. I also think like a lot of this stuff that I'm getting rid of is also stuff that doesn't fit me anymore. If you ever like getting something and like it makes you feel bad because you don't fit it, as soon as you get like that kind of whiff of they're just not gonna fit and it's gonna be something triggering to you, just get rid of it. It's long overdue for me. There's some pieces here that I had been holding on to for when I fit that size, and that is just such a weird game to play with your mind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and got some catharsis out of me cleaning my room and cleaning out my closet. I encourage you guys to do the same. Make sure to visit Almost Ugly Vintage if you guys want to shop some of my clothes and some of the things that I got rid of today. And yeah, that's it for this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao!